Hey everyone, so I did something big this week and I ordered something I never have before, something I've never tested the waters with before, but I'm pretty excited. So I ordered something from this company. Whoop. I know it's backwards, but it's called Bambu Lab, and I ordered a 3D printer. So this is my first 3D printer ever, and pretty much why I wanted a 3D printer was to, I guess, just like print my own molds. Like I want to create molds for my artwork and other different things for embossing, things like that, that would help, and maybe even make like my own stamps that aren't as heavy duty as like the brass stamps. But I'm super excited, and the machine's right behind me on the ground. It's too heavy for me to pick up, so I will show you guys and I will unwrap it though. But, okay, here's my filament. Get my, oof, crap. So I kind of looked up different types of filaments, and I saw that the PETG, I think is how you pronounce it. Yeah, PETG is pretty thick material, and it's like one of the strongest. So I bought some PETG in this beautiful blue translucent color. I was having some fun on the Bambu Lab website, like looking up what the different filaments could make and like what their colors were. And I thought the translucent colors were just really cool. So, I mean, I'm not like making 3D stuff for the colors of it, but I mean, look how cool this one is, and it's translucent too. Ooh, that sounds great. Love that. I might do some like ASMRs of me like unboxing stuff and not talk. I love this. I need to do like 2 different videos. Okay. See, I don't even know what I'm doing. Like, this thing is huge. This is bigger than my head. Alright, what is this thingy? Oh, these are the stabilizers. Yeah. Stabilizers so that it doesn't shake everywhere. Cool. Alright. Okay. I'm going to take you guys down here with me so we can open up this bad boy. Let me get this chair out. I'm going to set you guys on this chair. Oh my god. I need to make a YouTube channel of how stupid I am half the time. Alright. Is this still tracking me? Alright. Got this big old box. I don't even know where I'm going to put this thing. So I got the Bambu Lab X1 series combo. The Carbon X1 series combo. I wish like I could have got this on sale. I don't even know if they do sales, but I have a friend who works specifically in 3Ds, and I got this recommendation from a couple other leather crafters to buy this specific machine. I also got Presa? I think it's Prusa. Or Persa? I don't know. I got that recommendation too, but I kind of wanted something that was enclosed, and I also was thinking, long term, like if I'm going to have to buy something like this anyways, I'm just like a rip the band-aid kind of girl. I didn't think it was that expensive, to be honest. But anyways, I texted my friend who is a 3D lab person. She did 3D labs at Vanderbilt, everything. And I said, hey, I know you have a lot of experience. I'm thinking about buying this specific machine. Like, is this a good machine? And she was like, legit, I'm in the 3D lab right now, and there are 4 Bambus in front of me. And she's like, they're literally the best. And she took a picture and sent it to me. So I trust her judgment, because she does this for a living. But go big or go home is what I like to say. Ooh, I can keep this. It's like an accordion. Or one of those washboards, you know? I can keep this for some packing material. This is kind of nice. Set that aside. Alright, I don't even know how I'm going to get this bad boy out of here. Okay, I'm going to keep these for some corners for my pieces, guys. Remember, all shipping equipment, all shipping stuff is reusable. All shipping stuff is reusable. Ooh, this is a big boy. She a biggie. She a biggie boy. She a biggie. He a biggie. I think he is a he. Anyways. Alright, I don't even know how I'm gonna get this out of here. This thing is so freaking massive. Oh my god. Got that packing supplies. Getting. Oh. Alright. I might just have to break the box. I might just have to do that. This has got staples. Because this thing, I obviously can't lift it out. Oh, and it's sitting on top of stuff. Can I lift it up? I mean, it's like, I don't want to test it. I don't want to, unless it's got handles. That makes me nervous. Okay. Makes me nervous. Oh my god, how am I supposed to? Okay, this says, or was I supposed to pull the bag out? That doesn't seem like that's heavy enough, but the pictures on here have like a lift out kind of. Oh, I think that's heavy. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. We did it. I don't know if this table is starting. I don't have space for this stuff. Okay. So let me flip it around though so y'all can see it. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Okay. Again, I'm nervous about this table. But it has had heavier stuff on it, tell you that. Alright. And we got some more filament. Got this green color. White. I don't know what this one is. Oh, so this one's white too. And then what is this? The boat model components. I think this is like the little test print that you do. Nice. Alright. Can use this stuff. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna throw all the packing stuff in here for right now. And I will move this around tomorrow. This I can throw away. So throw that stuff there. Right. Okay. I'm gonna push that out of the way for now. Let's open all these things up. Support for PLA. This is so cool. Kitty is so curious. She's so curious. Mm-hmm. All right. So now I'm gonna set it up and test it out. All right, see how it is.